Happy Wednesday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. It's been a while since I did a dedicated video dedicated to like one type of job, but today we're doing all health insurance jobs. These are all in the healthcare field, from like billing, follow up, reviewing claims, analyzing contracts, things like that, just following up on payments. So these are going to be like healthcare office type jobs. So as always, links to all the pages that I'm sharing, timestamps for the video, any additional documentation or information you may need is always found in the YouTube description box below this video. I don't often find a lot of part-time healthcare billing jobs, so I wanted to share this because I know some people are not looking for that full-time commitment. You are looking for like a part-time job. Now, please note this company only has 8 reviews, so please always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But the Empowering Minds Group is hiring. Now, they do have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote work from home part-time billing specialist. Now, all the way down at the bottom in little print, it says it's part-time, it's fully remote, and they encourage all states to apply. So, of course, no state restrictions with this one, and they are paying anywhere from $21 an hour up to $25 an hour. Now, Empowering Minds, because Minds is in their company name, they are a behavioral and mental health services group, and they're looking for somebody to be responsible for the claims billing process for their group. So you're submitting electronic claims to insurance payers, and of course, you're reviewing and addressing all of the aging AR accounts receivable denials and rejections from those insurance payers. So what happens in the healthcare field is claims go out the door in an electronic manner to an insurance company, and then the insurance company processes the claim. They can pay the claim in full per the contracted rates. They can pay partial, or they can choose to pay nothing. And when they either make a partial payment or pay nothing, you've got to figure out why. Your job is to research and read the explanation of benefits that they send back and find out, did they not pay because something's wrong with the claim? Is there something that you can update and resend back out? Or do they need more information? Like, do they need medical records to prove medical necessity? You're just working with everything, doing appeals, disputes, escalations on any claims not paid by insurance companies. And they're specifically wanting somebody who has experience processing Medicare or Medicaid claims. Other than that, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma and 2 years of some kind of medical billing experience. So you know kind of a coding terminology, what CPT codes are, what ICD-10 diagnosis codes are. You have a basic working knowledge of like Microsoft Office, Excel. You have great communication skills. You can multitask. We have R1 RCM hiring. They have 2,800 reviews from past and current employees. Now, their employee satisfaction score is 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a Revenue Cycle Associate. This is remote for the United States. It looks like they're taking applications through September 22nd, so you just got about 11 days left to apply. But a Revenue Cycle Associate is going to be the same thing as basically billing and follow-up. You are there to investigate and examine sources of denied claims from insurance companies. So they are looking for somebody to kind of read those explanation of benefits from the insurance companies. And again, doing that research, you might have to look up information on provider portals to find out why the insurance did not pay a claim. And you're trying to resolve those unpaid claims, providing that medical necessity of the patient's admission when needed. So maybe you need to send medical records to the insurance company. Maybe you need to update something on the claim. So you're working closely with the appeals staff in case you need like obtaining information in a timely manner to send to the insurance company. You might work with hearing specialist, case manager, so that they can write letters proving medical necessity for the patient. So of course in healthcare, you're going to have to follow all HIPAA rules, laws, guidelines, but they do not require any college degree, just somebody who has knowledge in health insurance, the health kind of field. You know how claims billing kind of works. You can read an explanation of benefits. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of a healthcare related billing, somebody who can be a problem solver. You can fast act. You can be very organized. And pay for this one is anywhere from $17.80 an hour up to $28.52 an hour. So this next one probably needs no introduction. CVS Health is hiring. They have 48,000 reviews from past and current employees. Then overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a coordinator for their complaints and appeals department. Now, this is remote work from home. Now, of course, when you are a company as large as CVS, especially with their multiple health systems, so not only do they have like their pharmacy where people get prescriptions filled and things like that, they have the retail pharmacy where you can buy like over the counter drugs. They also have like minute clinics and stuff where you can like see doctors for certain things. You can get flu shots. They have a wide variety of services. And so with that comes complaints, and so you are there to kind of deal with those complaints or appeal scenarios for all of their products, which can include multiple issues. And so you are basically going to coordinate the responses from multiple business units, making sure that the customer has a focused response in a timely manner. And also, when you're looking at this, any trends that you see, emerging issues, you kind of report those so that the issue can be solved overall. They do hire throughout the United States with no state restrictions as long as you have a high school diploma or GED and at least 1 year of experience in either some kind of a claims, products, benefits, or some kind of health analysis or customer service or audit experience. So if you have a customer service experience of at least 1 year and a high school diploma, I would definitely apply. Now, there are some preferred qualifications that would get you to the top of the line, including having like that claims or claims billing experience or experience in research or claims processing. Now, pay for this one is going to be dependent on your location and your experience. Can go from $17 an hour on the low end up to $28.46 on the high end. Now, staying on par for like billing, health insurance, follow up, denials, reading explanation of benefits, basically all of those types of things. Revecore is hiring. Revecore has 85 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking what they call a denials recovery analyst. This is remote for the United States. And you may hear these types of billing jobs referred to different things. It might be billing follow up, it might be revenue cycle, it might be denial recovery analyst, but the job duties are basically the same. You are responsible for reviewing different contracts with insurance companies against healthcare claims, identifying any places where the insurance underpaid or didn't pay the health claim. So you're researching commercial and governmental payer policies, seeing what the insurance company's policy is on paying certain services, if the patient has benefits for that services, and any other documentation related to claims of payment, evaluating the appeal of denied claims. So you're examining